Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove Wi-Fi network on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. From your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, choose the Wi-Fi. Just turn on the switch button to enable. After that, you will see the Wi-Fi network which you are connected, the ZTE 2.4G. After that, click this network to view the details. And then find the Forget This Network. All you have to do is click this Forget This Network, and a pop-up will appear, then select the Forget. And that's it. We have now successfully removed our Wi-Fi network on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification for the new updates. And thank you for watching.